Welcome to the nest. I am excited to share today my 2026 homeowner. This really adorable, it's called the Find Your Voice box. It came with a classic notebook, classic fill paper, large stickers, the bookmark. It came with really cute themed envelopes, a larger envelope, these really cute shell-shaped sticky notes. I'm totally using the Ready to Make a Splash Little Mermaid sticker book. So I'm gonna have to carefully place these. Let's do this. So there she is. It is definitely a vibe with the tie. So what is your favorite thing to do to celebrate your birthday? I will go in and fill in all my personal details, but here you have it at a quick glance.